Welcome back to another video by Mr. Project. In this video, we are going to talk more about the Mango and do some more stuff. Check it out. Just finished making the dump pipe all the way, connects all the way up, the whole way along. I didn't film it because I've done enough fabricating and it sort of gets a bit boring after a while. Didn't really want to add that in. It was literally joining the dump pipe to the rest of the exhaust, only a little bit. So now the whole lot is done. All I have to do is add my intercooler piping, intercooler, and the couplings, not the couplings, the silicon joiners, so I can put the airflow meter in the charge pipes, and we can pretty much take it for a drive. Until then, I'm just going to wait, because it's now Sunday. I'm waiting for our delivery of parts, and then we can set it all up. What you're about to see, we were having a casual old couple of lemon squashes, a couple of waters on a Friday night, and someone decided to do a couple of burnouts, and then we can just hear a big bang, and this is what we saw. Jamie, can you tell us what's happened over there?
Bro, I'll tell you what happened. He went left, right?
Yeah.
He fucking,
Would you just look at it?
What did you do?
Just shut up for a second.
Yeah.
Right? He fucking went, oh my God, I went left.
Did he fucking jump the roundabout?
Oh my God, he went right. And then, oh my God, he went, oh my God, I'm going all the way fucking round. I'm a sick cunt. That's what you see, bro.
Ran out of talent.
Oh, my coffee.
R.I.P.
Oh my God.
Fuck that.
Oh my God, that's Monty. Oh, he ran out of fucking gas.
He
You know
doesn't
what?
know how to drive.
You know what you
He
do?
ran out of talent.
Tight, zone there's tight.
Looks good, mate.
So what we've done is we've just not
Fuck,
worried
the
about.
valves are knocking, Mitch. She's knocking her head off.
So we've.
Here we go. We'll save the turbo. And there we go. A bit of bubble wrap
Yeah,
in
that,
there.
that'll just suck straight in the turbo.
No, no. We'll zip tie it up.
No, we don't need it.
Yep. That's boost there for sure.
That was boosting, eh?
Yeah.
When building a car, you always seem to run into problems. So, number one problem, we have an exhaust leak down in there and it's coming out of the flange. So, unfortunately, we have to pull everything off and inspect that and see if there's a crack, or I'm pretty sure it's coming out of the back of the flange at the back down in that corner. And we also have a mad leak coming out of the drain. Can't really see it, but there's oil everywhere underneath there, so we've got to fix that. And right there looks like coolant's leaking out of there, so we have to fix that. So I'm going to pull it all apart and fix it all. Let's get it done. Horrendous exhaust leak, and you look right there, that is freaking bad. All right, look at that, it's blown the whole gasket out. That's ridiculous. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to purchase another set of gaskets. Unfortunately, I'm going to chop a relief in here so this one can bolt in flat against the head, and I'm also going to run this all on the linisher and just try and flatten it right out. Spent about 40 odd minutes getting that all nice and flat, and I just could not get that edge flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut reliefs in here and in here, so when you bolt it up, that will pull that flange in, that flange in, that flange in, and that'll stop any warpage, and it will stop blowing gaskets, hopefully. Get that done. cut our reliefs into the manifold, so when we bolt it up we won't have any more issues, hopefully not. So now this is ready to go back on the car. I'm going to go bolt it all up and hopefully we don't have any more leaks. Just cleaned up all the mess, there was heaps of oil and stuff everywhere. Cleaned up the block, ready to accept the new gasket. So now I'm going to put it all back together and fingers crossed we don't have any problems. Putting the turbo back on the car, I've just scraped off the old gasket. I've got a brand new one there, and we're going to re-bolt this all back down nice and tight and make sure all the fittings are tight so we don't end up with another return leak again. So I've just drilled out the actuator hole a bit bigger because the rod was actually touching the side and not allowing the wastegate to open. So hopefully that's going to eliminate that problem. We're going to put it back together and we're going to have a look. No more exhaust leak. Nothing. Fuck yeah. This is the new intercooler for the car. We're going to just play a little tune. That sounds really good. It's going to be one. This is the intercooler that I've chosen to go with. For some reason, I've just got a fetish for small, hidden stuff, hidden away, no one can see it. So this is going to tuck in behind the front bar nice. No one's going to be able to see it. It's going to give us the nice sleeper look that we're going for. It's 2.5 inlet and outlet on both sides, which is going to go great with our intercooler piping, which we are still waiting for. It still has not arrived. And today is now Sunday, and I've been waiting like 2 weeks, thanks COVID. Bloody hell, you're making everything so freaking slow. But when it arrives, we will be putting this on the car and we will be able to take it for a drive and hopefully not make 50 million pounds of boost and blow the car up. And it should be good. I'm really sorry that I didn't get the intercooler piping, thanks COVID for that. But the one thing that I do have, I'm wearing it right now, we have the new merch. It is so good. You need to seriously just jump on the website. I made a video, super simple. Go and get yourself some shirts. I think there's 4 designs up, and just rep that because you know what? These are freaking cool. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I'll have the intercooler piping. Thanks COVID-19 for making deliveries very slow. But until then, I'll see you later.